If you've been searching for simple, effective ways to achieve clear and glowing skin, this is the video for you. Stick around as we explore remedies and routines that are easy, budget-friendly, and most importantly, natural. Here are tips to naturally achieve clear skin at home. Tip 1. Honey and lemon mask. Mix a teaspoon of raw honey with a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Apply this mix as a mask and leave it on for about 15 minutes. It helps to lighten blemishes, reduce acne, and give your skin a natural glow. Make sure to rinse thoroughly and avoid the sun immediately after using it. Tip 2. Aloe vera gel. Apply a generous amount of aloe gel to your clean face. Let it sit for 20 minutes, and wash it off with cool water. It has vitamins and antioxidants that help soothe irritation, hydrate deeply, and even fade acne scars. This can be done daily for best results. Tip 3. Oatmeal exfoliator. Blend oatmeal into a powder, mix it with plain yogurt, and gently massage it onto your face. The oatmeal removes dead skin cells while yogurt adds a touch of moisture and probiotics for healthier skin. This routine can be done twice a week. Tip 4. Use natural oils. Let's talk about oils. Contrary to popular belief, natural oils like jojoba, rosehip, or argan oil can be incredibly beneficial, even for oily skin types. Use a few drops as the final step in your routine to lock in moisture and nourish your skin overnight. Tip 5. Eat healthy fats. What you eat directly impacts your skin. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like walnuts, flax seeds, and avocados, into your diet. These healthy fats help maintain your skin's elasticity and hydration, giving you a natural glow from within. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is one of the simplest yet most effective things you can do for your skin. Drinking enough water, typically around 8 to 10 glasses a day, helps maintain moisture in the skin and prevents dryness. It also aids in flushing out toxins from the body, which can reduce the occurrence of pimples and breakouts. Tip 7. Reduce stress. Healthy skin isn't just about what's on the outside. Stress can wreak havoc on your complexion, so take time for yourself. Manage stress for clearer skin. Try incorporating stress-relieving practices into your routine, such as regular exercise, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and getting enough sleep. A few quick reminders: always cleanse your skin gently, never skip sunscreen, and consider tools like a jade roller for a soothing facial massage. These small steps make a big difference when done consistently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your favorite tip in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.